rhinoceros gazing at the moon. Gazing right, rhinoceros gazing at the moon, sinking in humility, opening to center. Sink, floating up on the wave, plucking willow leaf palms, lotus palms. Turn the wheel, plucking in with the right, pushing out with the left. Shoulder strike, ward off. Turn the wheel, empty step, shoulder strike, ward off. Turn the wheel, plucking in on the right, pushing out with the left. Shoulder strike, ward off. Turn the wheel, empty step, shoulder strike, and press for peace. Rock back, roll back. Press for openness, washing hands clean, pull back, and push upward, offering the peach of immortality. Tall grass. Bend the branch, plucking up, pushing out, swatting the fly, brush knee, flock of birds, rock back and twist, cat stance, gazing left, empty step, brush knee, flock of birds, rock back, twist, cat stance, gazing right, brush knee, flock of birds, tall grass all the way around. Picking up the axe, kicking out, chopping wood. Hide the fist, sweep lotus, ward off, punch down. Press down, fan through the back, embrace the tiger, and return to the mountain camp. Pull back and push up. Gazing left, step back, repulse monkey. Gazing right, step back, repulse monkey. Gazing left, step back, repulse monkey. Reach up, pull down the moon. Sweep the lotus, rush knee, flock of birds, tall grass, bend the branch into cross hands, press down, knee to the elbow, step up and strike the tiger. Pluck golden phoenix. Protect groin, protect face. Thunder step to the right. Elbow strike, whip right, whip left, cloud hands. Step out, cloud hands. Step in, and the hands change, step out, and the hands change, step in. Pull the net, picking up the basket, step into the net, scoop up a basket of fish to feed the village, sweep the lotus, reach out, bounce the baby on right knee, twist step, kick, grasp, elbow strike, punch, hook, single whip, step back and clap, snake creeps down. Rising up, play the violin, snake creeps down. Golden phoenix stands on one leg, push down and fan through the back, embrace the tiger, return to mountain, greet the sky, greet the earth. Toes in, gather, stepping back left, kai shing, gather, stepping back right, kai shing. Wings of eagles, wings of eagles, stepping into the sky. Cat clawing, flying diagonal, flying diagonal. mixing heaven and earth. Follow-up step, follow-up step. Mixing heaven and earth. Follow-up step, follow-up step. Drawing into center, dance of Shiva. Water. Washing over the knee. Strike the tiger. Water. Washing over the knee. Chan, Si, Jin to the left. Reeling silk. Coming around to the front. Metal cutting. Metal cutting. Needle at sea bottom. Chan, Si, Chin to the right. Reeling the silk. Coming around to front. Metal cutting. Metal cutting. Hand touches center, slap. Part the curtain. Part the curtain. 4 corners. Empty step, turn. Empty step. Empty step, turn. Empty step. Empty step, turn. Empty step, grasp. Pull back, ward off, and punch down. Pull back, ward off, punch down. String the bow. Shoot the bow. Hook, pull wrist, split elbow, split throat. String the bow. Shoot the bow. Pull wrist, elbow, throat. String the bow. Shoot the bow. Wrist, elbow, press. Rock back, roll back, press, twist, press, rock back, roll back, press, washing hands clean, pull back, and push up. Wave to friends to the left, left hand low, right hand high. Wave to friends right, left hand high, right hand low. Wave to friends. Wave to friends. Capture the sky, S descent. Greet the sky. Greet the earth. Honor Father Sky. Honor Mother Earth. Give thanks to the creative factor, thanks to the receptive factor. Close Tai Chi, withdrawing the golden flower in through the crown chakra, into the heart. Honoring self and honoring others as self. 谢谢。